In this video, we are going to see how we can set parental controls on Facebook. Let's say that your kids are using or any younger person is using the Facebook. For that, you want to manage it using parental controls. Here's how you can do it. First of all, just go to the top right hand corner and click on your profile icon and click on the settings, and again click on the settings. And on the left hand side, you can see this tools and resources where you will see this family center. Click on that. And from here, you can create some credentials, invite your teen to supervision on Facebook and Messenger. Supervision won't start until they accept your invite. So this is all about it. Click on continue. And this is the invite link, which you copy and send them via WhatsApp or email, whatever. And once they accept your invitation, you should be able to manage it all from here. And that is pretty much it. I hope you found this video helpful, and if you did, hit the like button and subscribe to our channel, and I will see you in the next one.